Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about how to set up your development environment for this course, and here we have already installed one of the editor as a Visual Code Studio Code Editor, and I have created two of this file as index.html for view our file and another JavaScript file as index.js, right? And here I have loaded one of the console log. I pass one of the statement as easy learning. Now that is visible in here. And that is the inspect. Into this inspect, if you write, that is our inspect. So into the inspect, that is the element, the source, and the console. So for this course, we will use a lot of the time with this console function, and also we will use that comment. So in this video, I want to discuss about that console log function, and also I want to discuss about that comment. Okay, friend, we will start this course from very beginning level. Step by step, we will go more deep. So JavaScript will be very easy. So that's my vision, to make you successful in JavaScript. So now that is the console, and here it's now visible. So here, if you want to also change that view, you can change it from the top. There is a left position, there is a right position, and there is a down position. Okay, so right now I am using that left, which is totally fine. Better I want to make it a little bit zoom in, then that will be helpful to you. So now you can see it's now display as easy learning index as a 1. So index 1 means here right now you can see there is our line number 1. So now here I pass on with the console log function, I pass on the statement as easy learning. So now that is visible. So now if you want to add multiple one, I copy it, I paste it. Okay, that is a 5. And now if you click as a save all, rather than you can also save it with the Control S. Okay, now if you save it, now go there, click as a refresh. Now you can see now that is display as index 2. There is a easy learning index 3. There is a easy learning, right? It's now successfully visible in our this console area. And also if you want to add that another statement, like if you go, so friend, that's all that main core functionality, friends. I will recommend it to learn all that main core functionality. Literally when we'll go more deep, then everything will be very easy. JavaScript is very easy, but you have to understand it. Okay, and you have to code with me, you have to understand it, and you have to practice it. So that's all you have to do. Now if you want to add, that is our function name as a console log function, and into this function I pass one of the single statement as easy learning. So if you want to add that another statement, then how can pass it? Simple work, like I copy it and now I pass it. So if you want to pass it, now you can see it's now getting some of the error, and when it will be getting another error, automatically that will be as a red. So here you cannot pass it directly like that way. Here only you have to do between our two of this statement. Here you have to use that as a comma. Okay, simple work. When you use that comma, you can see our error is totally gone. Now this statement also should be displayed. Better here I name it easy learning online. Okay, online course. So this type of one of the another statement I pass it, click as a save all, and now if you go click as a refresh, now you can see it's now also passed as a easy learning online course. Okay friends, so that is our console function. So with this console function, we can actually display all that our statement in here. We can print this statement. Now you can see it's now display. And there is another functionality as a comments out. Like if you want to don't want to display our this line, okay, that is our another line as a console log as a 5, and now that is display in our indexing as a 5 as easy learning. Or if you don't want to display it, you can make it as a comment out. Simply click as a slash, double slash, and now you can see it's now become comment out. So now that should be not display. If you click as a save all and now refresh it, so we'll use this all the functionality. That means we'll use the console, we'll use that comments a lot of the time. So that is pretty much basic. You can see it's not display in here. So that is our comment out. And also if you want to add that multiple one at a time, you can also do that work like here. Then that is for the single line. Okay, for the single line comment out system, that will be as a double slash, and another one like as I want to do, I have to take both of this. Okay, I want to take both of this as a, and these two of this I want to make it as a comment out. Then you have to add that as a backslash and then the star. Okay, so backslash start. So from here that will be the started, and you have to end it. You have to end it with the star and then again backslash. Okay, so now that will be started from to this position, and that will be ended in here. Now if you click as a save all, and now that should be also two of this not should be displayed. Click as a refresh, you can see it's now totally gone. And here after that, if you want to make it as now open, now you can see it's now open. So as I told you, that will be started from with the backslash as a star, and then backslash will be ended. Now that this part will be visible, If you click as a save all and now refresh it, now you can see it's now display as a easy learning. And so into the index.js, I have printed in our 9 line. So now that is our 9 line. Okay, perfect. I hope friend you get some of the idea what exactly that console log function, how can add 2 of this statement in here with the comma. You can use that comma, you can also use that as a plus. Okay, both of this is totally fine. So right now I want to use it as a comma will be better. And also how can add that single comment. So if you want to add that single row comment, so that will be as a single comment, that means a single line comment. And also if you want to add that multiple line into the comment area, then that is our another functionality. Okay, I hope friend it's very much clear to you. In our next video, I want to discuss about that ES6. What exactly the things in our next video, I want to discuss about that things with you with the live example.